get up early in the morning because we had to get to Walmart to get new tires. But along the way, we saw the sign for Fort Bowie. Then we wanted to go there, so we thought, okay, we'll stop there and we will see that fort and then continue on our way. We get up to the visitor center and there's a telephone call. With the people in the white van, please come back down to the parking lot. You have a flat tire. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. We have no spare and no extra tire. We have 2 flats now. So we went down and the ranger was there and we told him our problem. And he laughed and he says, boy, when you have bad luck, you have bad luck. So he jacked up our car, took the tire off, and I said, well, we're going to just have to see if there's somebody heading into town and then hitch a ride with them and then hitch a ride back. He says, oh, don't worry about it. I'll check with my manager. And they decided that they would take us into town. So we went into town with our 2 flat tires. And both of them, rocks had gone in through the sidewall. So we had to buy a new tire. And the ranger had already checked it out, that they had 6-ply tires and that they had 2 of them and they would put them aside for us. When we got there, they were sitting there with our names on them. They changed the tires, put the new tires on, put them in the ranger's truck, and back to Fort Bowie we went. The ranger jacked up our whole car and put on the new tires, and we put the spare tire in the back because we wanted it underneath, but we needed it to drive on. The ranger put the spare tire in our car, which had a new tire on it, but it wasn't the one that really fit. But we said, that's fine. We would go back to town and we would have them change that tire out to make it the spare and then put the new tire on the old rim and put it on our car. So we decided while we were there, we would see Fort Bowie. So we walked around and saw Fort Bowie. And then we got as far as going to Roper State Park. We stopped for the night and spent the night there and then went into town in the morning and had them switch our tires around. So we had the 2 proper tires back on our vehicle and the spare tire was underneath.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.